Oh my God.
Nag-ipot ako.
Nicole?
Man,
Bolt?
creepy.
Wala kang buhok? Wala kang buhok, I repeat. Wala kang buhok?
Screenshot mo. I-screenshot mo.
I repeat, wala kang buhok. Uh-oh.
Wala ka.
At may kitty. Oh my God.
Ato.
May nakita kang run symbol. Press hold para makadayagan ka.
Ay, okay.
Okay.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers just love their
ito yung grill.
shawarma hot.
Turn on the grill.
Great! Now open the window. Let everyone know you're ready.
This is the window. Open.
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules.
Ito yung
They're
safety rules.
super friendly, just like we
Serve
are.
0 clients.
And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just
Oh my God.
perfect.
Oh my
They're
God.
already on their way.
I would not recommend niya i-open the radio dahil copyrighted. So are you okay?
Hey, give me one shawarma, big one.
Hello, sir. That will be 150.
Why?
Hasta matapos si
I don't
matambaw.
have any money at all. See, can you make one for free? I'm starving.
Free?
I'll pay you next time. I swear.
Check nito CCTV. May night vision man iya sa CCTV. Amatay, makikita mo doon namin kung night vision.
Silong.
I think safe naman. I think it's safe. Para Nicole may arrow. What's this? Raido, mga warning.
Ilong mo lang siguro imang.
Yeah.
Serve mo ima. Ako.
Hara una.
Ay.
So may nakita kang take auto tarang nga rin doon una. Put try dito. Wala tayong meat. Sauce.
So,
I will refill the meat. Here we go.
salad.
Yes, salad.
Salad.
Add meat. Suspicious meat.
Place it on the large shirt. Called shawarma.
Then give.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Pero kung mali, Ryan Nicole, may gagawa rin niya.
Thanks.
Dito, sa likod mo.
Oh! Bakit may gagawang people sa likod ko?
Karo Ryan spot, may gagawa Ryan, inspector. Di basa mo mo do, do rules.
Every Friday around 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspection.
Yes,
Exit
that's
through
the
the back.
inspection.
Never look at the shawarma stand during the inspection, ever. Should the meat on the skewer begin to pulse and moan, turn off the grill and leave. Do not listen to the voices
Haya, one
in the
shawarma.
meat. They only want to stay.
Training is nothing without food. Alright, that will be 150.
Nicole, I think nahanap ko yung buhok mo. I think I found it. Nakita ko yung buhok mo.
Ay, bakit parang tapos
Si Jackie Chan dun. Okay. Safe naman po siya. He is safe.
Saan yung buhok ko dyan?
Sa likod ito yung buli. parang buntot mo I repeat, parang buntot mo. May nakita kang your income. Yes. May nakita kang imong income, imong kwarta ron. Pwede ka makabay it, kung alin sa shop icon.
Screenshot mo.
Yung screenshot ko tanan. Grabe mo.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Ano oras yun? It's 12:36 na.
With this shawarma, I reach true
Sa
strength.
inuway.
Ato niya out ay 7 a.m. Pwede ka man, Nicole, magawa kung gusto mo.
Ayoko.
Come on! Go ako. Ano sa likod niya ra? Oh. Safe man, ah. Ha? Di ko ay makita ang sarili ko. I do not see myself. Pwede ako
Game nga rin. Gano ka?
go survive.
O kung makalagay mo game, like kapag
One
buhay mo mga
shawarma.
picture.
Yeah.
Don't grill it. I like it soft.
Pero may check sa CCTV. He is safe.
Saan?
Dito. CCTV camera. Mabayan na ako, Mabay para something interesting naman. Don't worry, Nicole. I will not do something bad. Totally. I hope.
Here you go.
Wait naman.
Perfect, just how I like it. I have a proposition for
Uh-oh.
you.
Pag-isipa ron. Bakit ako? Will you eat my burger for 1,000?
Ano daw?
Sabi na, will you eat my burger for 1,000? Ano ang bawang ko? Accept or decline?
Wait, oh!
I-decline?
Decline mo.
I-decline. Go away. Oh my god, hindi pa tapos.
Ano? Hindi mo ba pakaulit?
Don't worry, hindi naman yung anomaly. I think troll yun, troll.
Si Charles the Troll.
Why si Charles? Pero kung taga-site, kuntay mo.
Third normal customers closing the window on them is a mistake.
Wow!
Don't say.
One shawarma, please, and make it quick.
Wow. Bakit lalaki yung boses at
I'm already
babae?
late because of work.
Isn't that
Long
suspicious?
shift. Their boss kept me
Yes,
overtime
boss
again.
kept me overtime.
At least I'll get
At
some
least I'll
food
get
before
some
heading
food before
home.
heading home.
Something else?
Ako yun.
Soda.
Nicole, suspicious,
Got
Nicole.
it. The soda is 50, total 200.
Suspicious? Babae siya pero lalaki yung boses. No. For real, may narinig ako lalaki ng
Really,
boses.
I was ready to pay 150 and you just shut the window.
Tama. The boses na yung lalaki. Walang nagawang walang nagawa do inspector. Wow! Oh, makita?
Ha? Alin?
Wow mo nakita, no? Or nakita. Ako na pero may nakita.
Nag-ano mo, nagkabit mo sa ano, Garus.
Oh my god. Alin dun? Lasing or... Sir, you are not okay.
Alam, ang dumi ng likod niya.
Hiya, one shawarma.
Training
is nothing without you.
Alam, ang dami ano sa likod niya.
Alin dun?
Alright, that will be 150.
Fungus?
Yeah.
Go away, sir. Mag-clean ka na bago mag-agtoy, ah.
Mga ano siya sa likod.
Why don't you close the window before I eat? How can a warrior train without shawarma?
You didn't see anything. It was not me.
Kaya nang wait, just not me.
Woo! Good. Nagtinuro ko lang. Sa iba ako nagtok, tapos sabi mo nga, wow. Eh, nagtok, crying ako. Oh my God. Nakibat lang ako kato.
When for Boone?
Hello?
Kia fast.
I don't understand.
Dilf Stefang.
Sabi dito, your friend asked me to give the way.
I think, suspicious magyapon din anong language eh, iba?
I don't know, baka like may lang siya, may problem lang siya.
I don't know.
Ay,
Passes Yusa.
Anong oras yun?
babae nga.
3:48 na. Malapit na. We're going home na. Soon.
Novus White Catchments.
So, binasave na customer.
Ay, malulugi na tayo dito. Kung ayaw nila, kakainin ko na lang lahat yung shawarma.
Ako din.
Hey, one shawarma and a soda.
Oh, suspicious.
That'll be 200.
Suspicious.
Just a moment.
He's good.
Alright, hey, I know you, Nico. Playing in the daytime.
Ano kung mabilis
Are
man
you
yung
scared of the
soda?
dark? I can cut your internet any
Oh,
moment.
did it?
Don't believe it. Watch.
Hala, what happened?
Man,
Just
Wama na
hit
ako, wama na. Reconnected. We're saved. Good. Wait, part ba yun ng game?
yung
Sir?
na-disconnect tayo, yung part ng game.
Suspicious ah.
Kasi pag, nagsabi daw ni Matt just kidding.
Ala, ba si admin taron? Ay, wait. Wait. Stop.
Why?
Admin ba yan? Ala. Ba si anomaly taron nag. Wait,
Hindi man siguro
ma-refill ang anya kot meat. Ay, give mo.
This is so still hot. What's wrong?
Hala! Uh-oh.
Yeah, alin dahil
Thanks, but you got it wrong. Hey, Inspector, you there?
Uh-oh. Nicole, I would not recommend nga magawa. Nakakatakot.
Bakit?
Nakakatakot.
Maglabat.
Every mali ay gagawa rin do, Inspector. Every mali. Mga mali mo.
Sabi-sabi
One
sa naman
shawarma,
dito.
please.
Anomaly yung ano nga to, nag-reconnect na. Kato niya to, reconnect.
For me, yes. My kids already ate. but
Walang
I skipped.
pupils, so?
Can't cook after today.
That's 150.
Wala siyang pupils. It's an anomaly.
Okay.
I'm going back. Yung meat ay safe naman. Wa man gawiggle.
Wonderful kids are fed.
What a joke.
Parang
Siya.
nag-chat si James sa GC. Sabi na, parang nakita ko kayo na, ay, salamat. Tapos yung kuno do. Oh God. Nicole, leave. Leave.
Ay.
The meat ay growl. Kita mo?
Hindi. May lumabas na tao sa
Aron no, kita mo? Ano gawag the meat? Oh my goodness.
Wala akong meat doon.
Ah! Good.
That's my meat. Ako nga doon. Ako nga muscle memory ko doon.
Hindi kita pwede maglapit or magsuod.
Ay, okay ba?
Sir,
Okay.
when ka ba matatapos mag-wiggle?
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Kabuhay ta? Ay, oh no. Need na to patsundo. Ano, the grill? Uh-oh. Wait lang. Wait lang dyan. Kalanganin, Nicola. Do not move.
Ayoko.
Do not move.
Bibili ako. Ay, bibili ako, Jun.
Okay, I am out. Goodbye.
Ay, hindi naman mag-wiggle.
Ipatay kong the grill. Stop na, sir. Narinig mo na, nag-amount ah.
Sa marinig.
Mas kagad yung volume. Shawarma, menu. Shawarma, 150 Robux. Soda, 50 Robux. Sauce, 5 Robux.
Kakonect tabi do ano do the sound sang ano.
Nakaling ka, naka-earphone.
No. Like, if bastugan ko do imong voice, hindi ko nang gibastog dayon do ang like sabi.
Pala, hindi mo masyado marinig do mga customer na hinambal.
Yeah.
When ba to matatapos? Trying wiggle nga kabibuhay ta.
Let me check if pwede ma-edit.
Okay, habang ka-check ka, i-approach ko ni do wiggle nga ra.
Wow, forwarding naman ako sa ano, sa...
Sir, when ka pa ba matatapos mag-wiggle? Wag na ito masyadong mag-click. Ala! Pagsarado mo, Nico, natapos. So,
Ano kayo nasusulat?
okay. If a faceless. Medyo pa kita naka-encountered faceless ah. We're still good.
Hulo, na-encounter kita, faceless ka.
Sen, where?
Ikaw, faceless ka.
Oh, faceless ka man.
One shawarma, please.
Ako.
Yes.
Don't cut it in half though.
Pero yung skin mo ay medyo
Abby only
light
got
pink.
one hand to hold it.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. One hand lang daw yung
See,
kamay
problem
niya.
solved. Food
Oh,
first,
sit, ano
worries
dito?
later.
Please make the payment.
I'm pretty I don't know. I do not remember na. Namali ka, ma'am.
Pwede
Yan.
ba ako lumabas?
Yes, pwede. Kuha man dun.
Hindi na ako pag-anuhan ka ra.
Nope.
Tingnan ko yung kamay niya.
Congratulations. You've finally been accepted for the night shift at the roadside shawarma stand. The shift usually goes by quietly, but sometimes you must strictly follow certain rules to keep everything in order. Rule 1. If a visitor with a wide smile comes in, silently hand him a can of soda. In return, he will give you a damp, wriggling bundle. Place it under the counter and never unwrap it.
Few
Rule 2.
rules.
Every
Few rules.
Friday, around 2 a.m., a driverless car will stop in front of the stand. This is an inspection. Exit through the back door and do not look toward the shawarma stand. If they notice you looking, you will definitely fail the inspection. Rule 3. If you notice the meat on the spit begin to pulse and moan,
Aron.
immediately turn off the fire and leave the kitchen. Most importantly, never listen to the sounds the meat makes. Rule 4. If a faceless man approaches, just serve him. Under no circumstances should you look directly at his face. Rule 5. If a thick fog appears, do not go outside under any circumstances. And lastly, only serve a customer if you are certain they are human. Welcome. Congratulations.
Ladies and
Congratulations.
Paano pa ba?
gentlemen,
How to turn...
Congratulations.
Okay, we're good.
Mali siya.
Are you sure? Okay.
Fingers.
No fingers. Okay, tingnan natin ng inspector.
How they slammed the window right in my face. Guess I should be brought an extra hand to knock louder.
Nicole!
Bakit?
Oh my god!
Ay, hindi siya mali.
Nope!
Bakit yung kamay niya puro itim?
I don't know. Okay, our ship is off na. We're leaving.
Sige po. Napatay mo matadaan na?
Yes, we're good na. Punta tayo sa bus stop, malapit sa cut.
Napatay mo the grill?
Yes. Yes, boss, don't worry.